In this video, we are going to learn expand and collapse option in hierarchy. First, we upload the data and create one matrix. It's a plain data. So you can directly click on load button. Data is uploaded in Power BI desktop. You can find all the columns on right hand side in data section. So we have to select sorry, we have to select matrix here. In values, we can select sales. So here, if you click on right hand side, you can find expand button. If you click on selection, it expand that particular year 2015. If you expand entire level, then it expand all the years by one level and expand all. It expand quarter, month, and dates for all the years. You can drill up one by one using this arrow. And another option, expand by entire level. You can also collapse using these three options: selection, entire level, and all. So this is the way we can expand and collapse hierarchies in matrix. Also, we have similar options or same option: drill down, show next level, expand to next level. Also, we can copy the data, copy value, copy selection, and copy visual, and paste into the Excel file. So these are the options related to expand and collapse in hierarchy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Pundianagari. Thank you.